Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to code. So for that I will take you to code.org. We'll start learning at code.org. So just type in your Google Chrome code.org. So you'll come to their page. You can sign in. I have my sign in ID over there. You can create yours. So while signing in, you will see after signing that there is a create option on the right side. We'll start with Sprite Lab. So what is Sprite Lab? Like we know that we create animations and anything, there are characters in it. So in this, we will call these characters as sprites. So before that, let me start introducing this platform to you. The left side, this square, is the play area. You can see it over here. This area where you see blocks written is called the toolbox, and this white space is called workspace. Now, as I have told you that coding means communicating with computer in computer language. So now I want computer to create an animation for you. So I need to command computer to create it. Now, how will I command it? Suppose I want computer to make a background of city. So see here, this is plain area and I want to create a city over here. So see, I have to command it in computer language. So here I will use the Blockly language, the blocks language. So I can go over here words and I can see here. Can you see it's written set background to. You can see here background color. We can choose the random color. We can print any text or we can even add sounds to our animation. So I will start with set background to. So now see, I have to place all the blocks below when run. Okay. So this is the set background block. Now see, it's a night scene. So night background is there. But I want city. So I have city over here. I can choose. I can add more backgrounds as well, which we will learn in the later videos. So now you can see that I have a city background over here. So now I want to add a character. I want to add some more animations to it. So I can add a helicopter over here, that a helicopter is passing over a city. So this is what? A character, a sprite for me. So you can see here in the toolbox, I have sprites. I can go in sprite and you can see make new sprite add. I can make new sprite. If I have existing sprite, I can remove it. I can change its costume, and there are other blocks also. We will use them in the further videos. So I will start with the first block, make new sprite. I will just click and drag these blocks over here. Now see, bunny is selected, so bunny is visible. I can click on this drop down and I can choose whatever sprite I want. I can even add more. I can draw the sprite if I want. So I'm choosing this helicopter, and can you see it here? A lollipop type of icon or a spoon type of icon is there. So I can click it over here and I can place it over here. So this is helicopter. So now this is something drawn. Now what is missing? Missing is the movement, because in animation the characters, the sprites are moving, so I want to give movement to it. So that means my sprite is behaving in one or the particular manner, right? So what I can go is I can go in behaviors. What I want my sprite to begin moving, right? So I will bring the sprite begin block and I will change bunny to helicopter because I want helicopter to begin. What I want to do my helicopter is it should start moving in this east direction. So again, I will go in behaviors and I can see a lot of behaviors over here. So it can start moving east, move east and looping, move north, move south, move west, right? So what I want is I want it to move east. So I can bring this block moving east. Now see, I have placed all these blocks below when run. So what it means, when I press this run button, then all these things will happen, whatever blocks are placed below it. So this is a simple animation. I can rename my animation as flying helicopter. I can save it. Even I can share it with my friends and family. I'll just copy this link from here and I can paste it wherever I want to share. Okay, so this is a small animation. This is very good starting for kids to create animations with coding. We can even do coding with the text base. So you can see here, these are the blocks. On the right side, it is a button show code. So when you will click on show code, you will see that actually all these blocks contain these codes. These are written in computer languages like JavaScript. So these kind of coding will be also done. So subscribe my channel to learn coding and we'll continue with our animation, games and apps. Thank you.